In this video, I want to do a affiliate tube review for you, show you what's inside the course and what you're going to get. So what Affiliate Tuber is a video training course on how to use YouTube to make an absolute killing at promoting affiliate products. So if you use YouTube, if you create videos, or even if you don't know how to do any of that yet, this course will teach you step by step. But if you already have a little bit of understanding of that, you're going to get a hold of this a lot faster. And it goes into detail, even throughout case studies, showing you live examples of setting up YouTube accounts, uploading videos, and showing you commissions that are being earned within a matter of days from actually uploading videos. So when you log into Affiliate Tuber, it's super easy to use for anyone. You only got a few tabs up here. You got one that says training, which will take you to the members home page. And the members home page basically just shows you all of these, which you can also get directly here from this menu. And there's 5 different steps to building an authority YouTube channel to use for affiliate marketing. And that's exactly what each one of these topics goes over. So if we go into the researching, you're going to see here a series of videos, such as using Google Trends, keyword research tools and methods, the kinds of videos you can make, understanding buyer intent keywords. This is critical for earning affiliate commissions. If you've been doing affiliate marketing online through YouTube or even with websites, and if you're not converting your visitors into sales, this may be the reason why. This video is absolutely incredible in showing you the types of keywords you need to be focusing on if you want to promote affiliate products. And then you'll also find additional videos on, or types of videos you can create on health related problems, different types of products you can promote, including launch jacking and even ways to make videos. And under each one of these, if you click the resources tab, it'll drop down and it'll show you some information regarding the videos. Some of them have a lot of information and a lot of tools that you can use, links to the tools, and just different ways that you can quickly get information out of the video without going back through it again. And so if we go on down through here, you can see in step number 2, it's about setting up your YouTube channel, which for most people, they're going to think, this is really easy to do. Most people can go through and set up their own YouTube channel, which is correct, but there's a lot of additional settings within YouTube that a lot of people are not familiar with that can really give you a huge advantage in ranking your video. And that's what this whole series goes over. And then you got building authority to your YouTube channel. And this is all about ways to actually allow your YouTube channel to be more authoritative, which will result in your videos ranking higher when you upload them. And then optimizing an upload, we'll go over a series of videos that talks about the importance of YouTube titles. And this video is really good because it shows you just by changing a simple word in the title how it can really affect your rankings. And there's videos on video optimization, understanding thumbnail images, creating your thumbnails, and then 3 videos here where you will see exactly how videos should be uploaded to your account, and you can see the results of them after they're uploaded also in these 3 videos. And next is going to be SEO and ranking. And I don't recommend you jump directly to this series if you buy Affiliate Tuber, because you're going to miss out on a lot of important information and golden nuggets throughout the entire series that's going to really help intensify what you do from this series. So be sure you go through the entire course and don't just jump to the SEO and ranking series. But this one's going to show you how to rank videos both in YouTube and Google, and why and what makes them rank. Learn how to track your rankings and how to cloak your affiliate links using WordPress and 301 redirects. And there's also going to be a couple more sections here. One of them is the risky but effective ranking. And these are a few videos that is exactly what the title says. The videos are extremely effective ways to rank your videos in both YouTube and Google, but it can be risky and can cause your accounts to lose your videos or even to be banned if you're not careful. So use this section at your own risk. And last is going to be the case study section. And in the case studies, you're going to see live examples from beginning to end of finding the products to promote, creating the videos, optimizing them, ranking them, and then also even seeing proof of income after they're ranked of commissions that have been earned from affiliate sales. There's also a tab up here for tools where you can get easy access to a lot of the tools recommended throughout the course for researching tools, and also different gigs you can use that will allow your videos to rank in Google and YouTube. So overall, Affiliate Tuber is an amazing course beginning to end for both beginners and even advanced affiliate marketers. You're going to find something in here, I'm sure, that you've never known before or hasn't, or just different ways that you can take advantage of this course and some of the strategies in it that maybe you can implement in what you're already using even. And so that's Affiliate Tuber. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, you should be able to find a link under this video that'll take you there, so where you can learn more about it or even pick it up today.